Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 13 September 2025. Large listed companies cut imports bill by locally sourcing parts and raw material. The drop was the sharpest in automobile and electronics manufacturers such as Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, MotoCorp, Bajaj Electricals, Whirlpool, Havells, Blue Star, Amber Enterprises and Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals. While the share of import bills in sales halved for several companies, for some it even dropped manifold. Show latest disclosures in annual reports. The Reserve Bank of India received surrender requests from 9 non-banking financial companies. These include PhonePe Technology Services and Aditya Birla Finance. The central bank also cancelled the registration certificates of 31 NBFCs. Furthermore, the RBI restored the registration of RBG Leasing and Credit and Yashila Investment and Finance. The Reserve Bank of India has launched a new microsite on Indian currency with the aim of educating the public about banknotes in an engaging and interactive manner. The microsite provides users with detailed insights into the design and security features of Indian banknotes. A unique feature is the 360-degree view of banknotes, allowing individuals to closely examine and understand the key elements that differentiate genuine notes from counterfeit ones. This feature enhances awareness and ensures greater transparency in communicating the security design of currency. The Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI has announced an important regulatory relaxation for foreign portfolio investors or FPIs that invest exclusively in government securities or GSECs through the fully accessible route. Under the revised framework, FPIs investing solely in GSECs are now exempted from providing investor group details and certain other disclosure requirements that were earlier mandatory. This exemption is expected to significantly ease the compliance burden for such investors, as they will no longer be required to furnish detailed group-level information that may not be relevant for government securities investments. Apollo Hospitals will acquire a 31% stake in its wholly owned subsidiary, Apollo Health and Lifestyle or AHLL, from International Finance Corporation or IFC for Rs 1,254 crore, consolidating full ownership and control. Upon completion, AHLL will become a 99.42% subsidiary of Apollo, with the remaining 0.58% held under employee stock option plan. The transaction, expected to close by November 2025, is subject to approval from the Competition Commission or CCI. India is witnessing a massive generational wealth transfer, with families like the Adanis and Ambanis planning leadership transitions. While some, like the Godrej's, opt for amicable splits, others, such as the Modis, face bitter feuds. The $1.5 trillion shift highlights the complexities of blending tradition with modern aspirations in Indian family businesses, where loyalty and trust often outweigh financial structures. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.